Oh, morning everybody, it's StackSmart here this morning, and yeah, I want to take you through quite a complicated setup on silver at the moment that I'm following. Now, as most of you know, I'm kind of a funnel trader, mainly in the markets, and I only really ever trade and look at the silver price or the gold price. Now, the thing about the gold price, it's very difficult to trade because you need to put on quite large amounts in order to make a trade. But the silver price, because it's smaller in value, $16.5, it's easier to trade. And recently, it's started to give me some really great information over the last couple of weeks. We've had this main funnel which broke excuse me at about 17 and then headed down under 16.9, and then it did a secondary funnel which was really nice, so that enabled me to be sure of the direction of where it was going. So when it did this secondary funnel, I was certain that we were headed down. So then it broke, as per my prediction, down under 16.5. Now 16.5, if you follow the channel, round numbers are very significant in trading. So I came out of the trade here at 16.5 because of the round number, and then it started funneling again, so it's kind of giving me a secondary idea for my next trade, which is down to 16. So we're funneling here again, we're setting up on quite low volatility at 16.5, and the target now for this funnel is 16.2, so we've got an interim target again here at 16.2 off this funnel. Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cold or something coming at the moment. So this is anyway, so this interim primer gave me a target of 16.5. It also gave me an interim of 16.85, and now this funnel's giving me an interim target of 16.2, so that this will probably fall again until it reaches 16, I think. Excuse me. Very technical analysis today for those of you who are silver base, but in essence, once we've hit this 16, we haven't got much room then before we hit the inverted head and shoulder pattern that I've been talking about. So recently I was talking about this head and shoulder pattern. Normally off the shoulder you get this correction where it takes out all of the sellers in the market, and then it heads back down. So once we've hit 16, we're then looking at a bull market then ongoing. I think it might fall down to 15.5 because it only invalidates at this point here, which is 14.6. So there's still a little bit to go before we start the bull run again. But in essence, the technical analysis is very strong at the moment for further downside to my 16.2 target that I talked about in the last months. So very serious technical analysis there for you today, but in essence I think we're going to fall again to 16.2 within this time frame of the next 2 weeks. I think we'll see this 16 target hit. As far as the top tip, we're on sarniasilver.com. I'm buying up some of these half year of the rabbits. I was talking to a guy on Silver Forum who said he was trying to complete his half set and he needed a half mouse, but he couldn't get one, and it's very rare. And the actual sale on eBay was looking at went for £100. So I was quite amazed at that. So I decided to start looking for cheap half ounces for the time being, and especially as we can get them for, you know, £12.60. It's a bit above premium, but it's pretty good value at the moment until they all sell out, and then we're off to the races with them, I think. So yeah, check out that. On the YouTube side, if you can head over to my other channel and subscribe to StackSmart Silver. My latest one is this rare panda video, where I talk about the commemorative series in 2009 and the 2007 panda. I'm also picking up newer pandas at the moment to fill some gaps. I didn't really get many of the 2013 and 14 pandas. I've got a load of the 11 and 12 pandas, but I've not got any of the 13 and 14. I've got one of each, so I'm just filling the gaps in those at the moment. I've got about 10 of the newest 1 and 3 of the 15, so I'm just filling the panda gaps in so I can flip those in the near future for more money. Anyway, subscribe both channels, the StackSmart Silver channel. Have a look at the sarniasilver rabbits, and yeah, I think we're in for another buying opportunity in the next couple of weeks. So let's hang tight for that. And yeah, please subscribe the channel, and we'll stack smart together. Okay, bye for now. Have a great week.